Hello friends, welcome to ABS Tech channel. And this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies in a crypto market. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel and complete my 2K subscriber. Thank you so much for your subscribe. Thank you so much. And let's see the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies in a crypto market. As you can see here, it's loading. Please don't forget to don't ignore my words. Kindly subscribe channel. Thank you so much. As you can see here, the chain is a very bad. I'm sorry, VChain holders, I'm sorry, but it's a reality. I update you every hour. As you can see here, the chain is negative 1.24% negative, and the high price of VChain cryptocurrencies in the previous 2 hour is dollar 0.086043 is the high price in the previous 2 hour of VChain cryptocurrencies. Now as we can see the price chart of the WeChat cryptocurrency, so it's falling down, as you can see here. Currently they are very badly falling down, as you can see here. Now let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. It's a 2 hour result. Now let's see the last price prediction of last 1 hour. As you can see here, it's loading. Please click the subscribe button. Oh my god, the last 1 hour result is a positive, but they soon negative. As you can see here, they are falling down, so soon they are in negative. In the high price in the last 1 hour is dollar 0.084867 is the high price in the previous 1 hour. So it's a dumping time of Vechain cryptocurrency, so it's the best time to sell it and be safe from loss. It's a good time to sell it. What's your opinion about Vechain cryptocurrencies? As it a good time to buy or sell it? Please share your opinion in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and updates about cryptocurrencies market.